Hi, this is Steve here from Signal Centre, and today is Tuesday, the 7th of September 2021. Now, today we're looking at cryptocurrencies. In particular, I'm going to look at Bitcoin and look at the move we've had over the last week and try and get some technical levels to really focus on this week. We'll start with the weekly chart and then drill down. We had what we thought was a head and shoulders formation. It didn't break the neckline and didn't close below here, so it didn't form. Instead, we formed a double bottom. We can see the impulsive move higher has been pretty ferocious, even in terms of Bitcoin. So looking at the daily chart, we can quite clearly see the bottom of this move to the neckline, and we can extend that higher, and there's the measured move top. The double bottom measured move comes in at 54,331, so not far away from that at all. Above that, we've got larger levels, and we've got this congestion area that we saw way back on early May, and this is between basically 53,000 and 59,000. So 78.6% fib coming in at 57,128. The 4-hour chart doesn't really give us much more information than that. We can see we broke above the 50,600, so that will act now as support. Let's flip it to blue so we know. And any buying dips in front of there with stops below is a play. We've just stalled on this 4-hour candle. Let's look at the hourly chart and really try and get some even closer levels to look at. So we have our ATR bands that we favor, and we've got the Ichimoku cloud, also one of my favorite indicators, although we're at overbought or correcting from overbought conditions on the hourly chart. So we have potential for a little bit of a correction lower, but I expect the buyers to come in around about these levels here, which was the previous resistance, then turned into support around about just in front of that 50,500 level. So 51,000 looks to be the level of support coming in today. Again, on the upside, we've got the 54,500, pretty close to that measured move target of 54,331. Thanks very much for joining me, and look forward to catching you again next week.